Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the ADBL Glass Cleaner Ultra with its fruity scent. I'll give you all the details now because the windows on the Cupra Born really need a good cleaning again. Especially in the rear area, it's really bad. I also brought the ADBL G, which you saw in the last unboxing video as well. And I think a duo like this from ADBL will definitely perform well. Let's give it a try. ADBL has tried to slim down their product range a bit. It looks like they're putting in a lot of effort. And that's how the Glass Cleaner Ultra came about. Once again, it comes with the Canon spray head on top, which is really, really nice. Don't throw it away when the bottle is empty. Either refill it or use the spray head for other things. It's one of the best out there. And this is also a really, really nice specialty cloth. You can see it here in the texture. We'll take a closer look at it in a moment. I'm firmly convinced this could be a really, really good duo. Let's get started. Have fun. First, let's take a look at the windshield, and you can already see here at the edges, a lot of dirt has built up. These typical dirt edges also here where the wiper doesn't reach. Then we also have a few insect streaks, and in general, you can see the windshield is really, really, let's say, a bit cloudy as well. You can see here, the streak runs all the way across the entire side. Up here, this triangle, typical you know it, and especially on the rear side, it looks really bad. Just take a look at that. So here, there's really an XXL layer of dirt on it. So here, I also recommend that if it's really this bad, you can make things a bit easier for the glass cleaner by rinsing it with water first. But we want to do the toughest test to see how well the cloth and the glass cleaner can handle it when there's really a lot of dirt on there. And this is truly a mess here. We'll start at the front windshield and then take a look at this here. Alright, let's get started with the cloth. First, fold it back to 20 by 20 again. That's actually completely sufficient in terms of size, and then give it a shake, open the spray head, and as you can see, it's completely fresh here. First, I need to fill the spray head. I usually try to take you along live and unfiltered during these product tests. Some things I have to test beforehand, especially when it comes to sealants, but with glass cleaner, I want you to experience it live with me. You can clearly see the spray pattern here with the familiar spray head from the glass cleaner. It's simply outstanding. It doesn't spray. Oh, the scent is really, really good. That honestly just blew me away. Of course, guys, scent is secondary. But if it's there during use and smells this extremely good and fruity, it smells like a fruit salad. Like a really nice fresh fruit salad. I think it's really, really good. Now, it just has to clean well too. As you can see, only spray on as much as needed so it doesn't run down. A very thin film of cleaner is already more than enough. That way, the 500 milliliters will actually last you a really long time. And now let's just go over the surface with the first side and start loosening the dirt. And as you can see, I do this in a bit of an orderly pattern. Also, make sure here that the dirt isn't always just on the inside. It always depends. Some people touch the window more often, especially in the winter months when the windows might fog up. And if people don't have a cloth or a sponge with them to dry the inside, they end up smearing dirt all over the inside of the window. So that's why you should pay attention to this as well. What I notice here, for example, is dirt on the inside, and what stands out to me is that it spreads out nicely. Now I'll just let the streaks air dry in the light. Take a look here, I'll just wait now. Look, they disappear completely on their own. Now here's the last point. I think I wasn't even visible anymore. Now it's completely aired out on the outside, completely gone. What I can still see through the glass here are the smudgy fingerprints on the inside. But otherwise it really looks good. You can see here as well, for anyone saying there wasn't any dirt on the glass, you can see the black streaks. It's going to get even more intense in the back. But if the glass, like in this case, still had a spot on it, then I would just do a second round for safety. Really, just spray it twice, use a fresh side again, and simply check it over once more. And now you can also tell the glass is noticeably smoother, because now the entire dirty film of grime is completely gone. So, once again here as well. The cloth glides very, very nicely over the surface. Long strokes. Now you can see these slight product residues again, and ideally under the light, they should have already completely evaporated for you as well. Here too, we still have a bit of haze and the dirt that's holding it all in place. You see, I really spray on a very, very small amount. Now I'm taking the dirty side again and first cleaning off the coarse residues. Also without applying much pressure. Just let it glide over the surface. You don't need to scrub the surface with it or anything like that. That's completely unnecessary. Now, use your thumb to apply a bit of pressure on the side so we can get the edges as well. And also along the bottom here so we can loosen everything up as thoroughly as possible. And then I'll go over it a second time. Again, the whole thing should be in the light. You can see the remaining streaks here now. And then it airs out nicely. We also have a real film of germs on the inside. I think we really need to clean the inside of the window properly as well. You can see here the dirt film on this side is getting thicker and thicker too. Now we'll grab a fresh one again and just go over it a second time. But I can tell you, in terms of application, that's what a glass cleaner needs to deliver. I'm really spraying very little on here, just with one finger. Pressing. And nothing should run down, otherwise you've used way too much product. And then a cloth like this will soak up way too much, way too quickly. Yeah, now you can feel it again. Everything is noticeably smoother. The layer of dirt has come off nicely. And when it comes to cleaning glass, either you need to keep folding the cloth to a fresh side, or you use one cloth to remove and loosen the dirt and another cloth for the finish. And it's the same here. Of course, you can keep folding the cloth over and over, but at some point it just gets saturated. So here too, go over it really nicely and the rest is on the inside of the window. Here as well, I wiped along the inside with my hand. Well, that's just how it is, but you know it yourselves. So the outside is really super clean. It's easy to do. Even insect remains come off wonderfully. So this is really torture for a glass cleaner. Normally I would also spray this down a bit with a stream of water or a pressure washer. But now we really want to see the tougher test here. Let's move over to this side. Just enough so that it doesn't run down in streams. Otherwise, it'll all run over the paint, and we don't want that either. I'll use the slightly dirtier side again, because now the tool is obviously going to look much, much dirtier. Before. And now first, carefully loosen it here. One edge along the bottom here, and also along the top here. I'll try to do about 50-50. Alright, now let's take a look at this. And that's exactly what I mean. Pre-cleaning would be absolutely essential here, but we want the tougher test. That's the downside. If I fold the cloth now, you can see that a bit of dirt has gotten onto the second spot as well. So when you're looking for a new side, always make sure to unfold a completely fresh one. Alright, and now we've got one here. And with that, we can go over the surface again. But as you can see here, it really airs out very nicely. Now we will carefully use the clean cloth to gently and thoroughly wipe off any of the remaining residue that is still present on the surface. And then it should usually turn out really nice and clear. Look at that, perfect. So that worked really well. Even now the cloth is already a bit saturated, so I would always recommend using two cloths for this. This is just a tougher test right now. But as you can see here, we can look at it from the back. Do you see that? Really nice and clear. Alright, the 50-50 split is now obvious, but you can also see here that we have a nice clear surface. It looks good and is nicely cleaned as well. So the cloth in combination with the glass cleaner definitely does its job, but now we also have to clean it up. I've already tested a lot of glass cleaners. Personally, it's always important to me that the price and quantity are right. And of course, you can also get glass cleaner for 99 cents at the discount store. Go ahead and get it, use it if you're happy with it. For me, that's not enough, especially when it comes to loosening insect residue, because household glass cleaners are simply meant for window panes. Glass panes in the shower and so on, and they're less suited for baked on insects or insects you've picked up on the highway. Or even for heavy sandy dirt like this. Just give it a try. For example, I really like using this one now, and I also have the previous versions. You can see it again here. A lot really builds up. At this point, I would actually start using a second cloth because it's getting a bit borderline here. Just in terms of the amount. I've grabbed the last clean side again. Now I'm trying to go over the whole pane again to make everything nice and clear without streaks. There are also a few lime spots here that need to be polished away. So once more around the bottom here as well. There. So you definitely need to use a second cloth because it eventually gets saturated from the dirt in the cleaner. Now we still have a few streaks left. There they are. Of course, we'll remove those as well. There. So today you're learning about good glass cleaner. At least two cloths, because with just one it gets difficult to always find a clean spot when there's so much dirt on it. That means one for the rough pre-cleaning and one cloth for the finish. Or you just have to fold them a lot. So it's best to just get a 2-pack of cloths right away. Then put the whole thing in the washing machine at 40 degrees, spin it a maximum of about 800 to 1000 revolutions. I wouldn't overdo it, not at 1400 or whatever else is available. That just unnecessarily stresses the fibers. This way you'll get a long life out of these cloths and can use them again and again. But overall, as a complete package, it's a nice duo from ADBL. They've really managed to get their range under control again in this area, but there are still other areas where they need to improve. The overall package just fits here, you really have to say that clearly. In terms of price to quantity ratio, the 5-liter canister is obviously the best. Even there, the price is very, very good. If you're saying you need a new glass cleaner, I would recommend the 1-liter version to you. If you're saying you just want to try it out at home first, go for the 500 milliliters. If you trust me and say, I'm looking for a good glass cleaner and I don't want to test everything first, I'll just get the 5-liter canister right away. Then you'll have 5 liters ready to go. And of course, that's also the best option price-wise. And for that, I recommend the ADBL empty bottles. I'll show you a picture here, and it's also linked below. This is basically that bottle as a fully transparent bottle plus spray head. It's available in 500 milliliters and 1 liter in case you need an extra bottle now. The dirt dissolving power is there, spray it on with the spray head, it's fantastic. And as a bonus, what I also really like here is the very, very fruity scent. It smells just like something really fresh. Multivitamin fruit salad, I find it very, very pleasant and I can definitely recommend it to you. If you have any questions about it, just leave a comment. Otherwise, this glass cloth here is also very, very good. But definitely use at least 2 if you're cleaning the whole car, because constantly flipping it over, that goes for all cloths, constantly flipping, then there's a lot of dirt in here and you might end up with a dirty corner sticking out onto the clean surface. So at least 2 cloths, if not 3. But with this phase, you're really well equipped and it's also nicely abrasive. That means if you have some tougher stains, it also has a really good friction value. It doesn't just slide over and leave everything behind, but actually scrubs a bit. And that's really a great feature of this glass cloth. And again, regarding lint, you saw there was nothing there. It was also fresh out of the packaging, not washed beforehand or anything. So in this area too, it's a great duo. What can I say? It works. ADBL has been in the business for a long time. They know what is definitely reliable and have now brought 2 really great products to the market. Feel free to check them out if you have any questions. As I said, you can always reach us via WhatsApp and we'll see each other again in the next video. And now this will also be used privately in our household. And then there will also be some long-term feedback. Until then, bye everyone.